Beautiful. Alright, and on that note, good morning boys. Welcome back to the channel. I have not picked up the camera in like a week, so the video that just went up last, I'm hoping that this video can come out within 5 days of that video, because this last week, school has just been super hectic and I've been trying to edit, and literally last night I was up to like 3 trying to get that video done. I didn't quite finish, so tonight is Sunday. I'm gonna try to finish it and upload it on Monday. So that means I have until Friday to get today's video uploaded for you guys. So I hope that you guys are watching this on a Friday if you're watching it the day it comes out. But anyway, today we're gonna be working on Jason's car again. I know a lot of you guys wanna see some Mustang content, but Jason won't shut up about this downpipe. So today we're gonna be installing the downpipe that we teased in the last video on the car.
Race car.
As you can see, he's got a new turbo fan. Now we have this on there trying to cool it off a little quicker because he went and got like Jamba Juice this morning. We're gonna wait just a few minutes. Also, today's video is not gonna be structured like a tutorial because I've never done this. So this is gonna be more of like a follow along type video. And John is here to help us with it because he's done a few of them. So it should be interesting, but it's gonna be fun. Hey, the boys loved you in the last video. And I don't actually know because that video hasn't gone up yet, but I'm sure they did. Because you said some hilarious stuff. We gotta start getting Joey in more of the videos. If today's video gets 100 likes, I'll try to put a little Joey segment in some more videos. He's like, nope, I'm out, I'm gone. Bye, Joey.
I should have just bought some quick jacks, bro.
Oh my god, yes, me and what, 1,500 bucks.
Exactly.
Jimmy!
Should I put the one in the rear?
Get the jack stand, Jimmy.
Yeah, put one in the back.
I'm telling you, we need to go freaking high.
Okay, that's what I was saying last night, and then you were like, I never said that, and now you're saying it again.
No, you were saying we need to go up in the back. We don't need to go
No,
up in the
you
back.
said we were gonna go to Disneyland.
Oh, that's just right there.
Oh,
Yeah?
oh, my keys.
These two goons got the creepers. I just have to lay on the ground.
You scrub?
Okay, so we're gonna have to rotate the wheels to get to the different bolts, right?
Huh?
There's 3 different bolts on the drive shaft. There's one right there, and then there's 2 more. Give me the camera.
Bet. All right, show them.
All right, boys.
I was trying to roast you, but you just won't let me roast you.
Yeah,
So.
flip that around. See that bolt right there? Kaidan can like circle it or something. There are 3 of those going all the way around. So we're gonna have to rotate this and get all those off and pull it out of the way because it's all-wheel drive.
Make up for my laziness
No, you can see.
in post.
If Kaidan wants to make it fancy in post, he can. That's what I'm saying.
It's an Alltrack video.
Well, then don't.
You boys want some lemonade?
Only if it comes with secret sauce.
Ooh, you know it. Okay, so I'm not sure how much of that you guys could see. Let me do some climbing.
Fun stuff. So there were 3 bolts holding this drive line in. So out of the way right here, you can see where it'll spline into the motor, into your diff casing. There's 3 bolts holding it in, so we had to push the motor forward about, I'd say, what, 2 inches, 3 inches?
2 inches, yeah.
And
Quite a
we were
ways.
able to push it forward and get this drive line to move out of the way so we can get the downpipe out through this cavern instead of this being right here.
Now we're gonna continue. I think we need to start disconnecting things on top.
Downpipes. Yep.
Yeah, things on top.
All right, sounds good. Sounds like I'll finally be of use with my long arms.
Yeah.
Giraffe reach.
So we got the lower part disconnected. Well, the lower procedure. We haven't actually disconnected any of the downpipe yet. But we got the drive shaft moved out of the way as John was talking about. So now we're coming up to the top and we have to take this clamp off. And then the O2 sensor is right down there. And so we have to disconnect this whole gray line. The black line is the upstream O2 sensor, which is right, I don't know, here-ish, right there. And wait, black, it's there. The downstream one is down here, that's the gray. We have to take that off, unclip it, and everything. We're gonna try to take it off now so that it's just out of the way. If not, we can just have it dangle with us as we try to wiggle this out, but that's not what we wanna do. But so now we're gonna try to take this off and then wiggle it down at the bottom. So unclip the O2 sensor and just take off that clamp.
Yeah.
And is there a
He knows how to do it. He's just asking for your permission.
Yeah.
He just described how to do the entire thing, and then you come back and he's like, "This is how we do it." All right, boys, so we disconnected the little studs that hold the, or not studs, we disconnected the nuts that hold the stock downpipe in the cat onto the studs. So now we've got the V-band off of there. The downpipe is wiggling a little bit. Kind of hard to show, but the stock downpipe is coming out. He's disconnecting the resonator portion down at the back, and then it's just gonna be like a big wiggly
mess.
Yeah, mess, basically.
It's gonna be a big wiggly mess.
We're gonna have to canoodle the thing out of there.
And it's about 5 feet long, so it's gonna be a pain.
Yeah, where are we gonna put that when it's done? In the attic?
There, yes.
I don't think I've ever showed you guys the attic, but that is literally just the stock part abyss. There's nothing but
Graveyard.
stock. Yeah, it's just a graveyard for stock pieces. Don't forget your safety squints when you're working under a car. Make sure there's not play in your shaft.
Oh, I'll play with my shaft. It's okay.
John, you done yet? Sorry, I had to finish playing with my shaft. You good?
It may or may not have just hit me in the forehead.
Well, it's a good thing you had your safety squints on. There she comes. Oh, let's get a top view. How's she going? Oh, she hasn't even gone that far. Oh no.
Oh, it's a pain. It's gonna take a.
Deep breaths.
It's gonna take a bit.
Deep breaths, girl.
It's not crunch the O2 sensor.
Her water just broke. The baby's coming.
Oh Lord!
Oh no!
It just went.
There goes the umbilical cord. Wait, I don't think that's supposed to come out first.
Oh!
Okay.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
She's getting a little wedges. Can you like push the resonator part up?
Huh? Tip the back of it up.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh Jesus! What was that?
Oh, just the sound of
Metal.
Yeah, just the sound of true exhaust.
Why the f am I doing this again? I told myself I'd never do another downpipe.
Because you love us, John.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
And because I may or may not have 50K waiting in a savings account for you.
Oh.
Just keep in mind.
I love doing this.
Just keep in mind that I said may or may not. There's always that chance that that's not the case.
I'll take those odds.
I'm actually Mr. Beast. Oh!
Oh well.
Come to the side without our
Cute.
legs.
It's a pretty good angle. I think we can just leave that there.
Yes, sir. Oh, turn off autofocus. Press the little AF button.
AF is
One that just.
Press the little as fuck button.
All right. It is manually focused.
Oh! I just punched myself in the throat.
Oh, so close.
Congratulations, Jason. It's a boy.
Yay! It's got a big old dick.
Oh, both of you going on here? Oh, God.
This might not go on there easily at all.
So I said spit on it.
If anything, you can grab some WD-40.
Why don't you just put WD-40 on it to begin with?
I don't know. Might as well try and see if I can just push it on.
Or you could just spit on it.
Saying something I said, you gotta say high tide or someone.
What?
I don't know. Being random, sorry.
I just have no idea what you're talking about.
I don't
Just thread
either.
it in and shut up.
Eat your turkey leg and shut up.
That's a great angle. Oh, yep.
Oh.
Good view of the back of your head.
Whatever you say, neighborino.
Should we put this in here now, or wait until it's in, then?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, all right. Hi. Shall we start it?
No, we need to put the drive shaft back in.
Oh
Yeah, you
that's
should do
true.
the drive shaft. Yeah, that's true.
We don't have the mid-pipe section installed yet, or whatever you turbo boys call it.
Yeah, it's mid-pipe.
Okay, mid-pipe. But we're gonna go ahead and start it open downpipe and just give her a listen. We're gonna hear some raw turbski. It's gonna be great. Ooh, that's kind of cool.
I was like, that looks pretty good. You're welcome.
Yeah, Vape God over here filled up the garage. That's quiet. That's nothing. So I might be starting a little bit of controversy, but I'm not convinced that Jason's car with like just open downpipe is louder than the Mustang with the full exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that real quick. You guys just heard the open downpipe. Now you're about to hear just straight pipe Mustang. And you also have to keep in mind, that was in the garage, and this is outside. So it's not gonna echo as much.
He's full of shit. I'm just impressed that my 4-cylinder sound as loud as an 8-cylinder.
Hardly.
Like 1.8.
You had an echo chamber helping you out. That was inside the garage.
You're just jealous.
Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that car, just like, we haven't even put the exhaust back together, just the open downpipe, is louder than the straight pipe Mustang? This does have 2 resonators, but they don't really do much. It's just like a bigger pipe, so I don't know. I'm not convinced, but I'm also biased. He's also biased. Alright boys, it's the next day. Got kind of dark on us last night, so we decided to just jump till today. And I wanted to get you guys a cold start with the whole exhaust system all set up and everything, so here goes nothing. I didn't actually help them do like the mid-pipe section, I was just kind of recording it, but basically there's like a small section in between the resonator and the mid-pipe where they couldn't like quite get the clamps to work or something, like it wasn't quite the right sizing, and so John just kind of made like a little custom, what do you call it, reducer?
Yeah.
Yeah, he kind of like cut slits in a thing so that he could put a clamp on it and it would squeeze around it, but he does have a slight exhaust leak. So he's actually going up to Salem today to sell those wheels and tires, the stock ones, for his car. And so when he goes up there, he has an exhaust shop and they're just gonna make like a custom reducer or possibly like weld it or something like that, just to make sure he doesn't have that exhaust leak, because I don't know if you could hear it on camera, but there is like a slight ticking, a little bit of a rattle, but that's fine, you know, happens when you're doing big exhaust stuff like this. Usually like little exhaust shops like that, especially if it's something that'll take like literally 10 to 15 minutes, they'll just charge like $50 and they'll just get it on the lift and fix it for you. But other than that, it was a pretty job well done. Sounds like she's warmed up a little.
Yeah.
Sounds sick. No, I really like the way that sounds. I heard you revving it last night for the videos in the group chat.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn, it's loud. But it's not like overbearing.
No.
Like you could rev this at 2 a.m. and no one would wake up.
I mean,
maybe if they're
most likely,
a really
yeah.
light sleeper, but I would sleep through it.
You can hear it in other houses, but if you're sleeping, yeah, it's not gonna.
Yeah, it's not like the Mustang where it like shakes the walls. Like literally the one time when you cold started the Mustang in the driveway, it was shaking my desk. Like it was like a train going by.
When we cold started this thing, open downpipe in here, it was shaking all the walls.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. Alright guys, so it's currently about 2 a.m. on Friday morning or Thursday night, however you want to describe it. But earlier in this video, I said that I was going to do my best to have this video out by Friday, which I succeeded, and it's very late at night, so I'm going to be going to bed soon. But I just want to go ahead and say thank you to those of you that have reached out to me on Instagram and kind of been chatting with me a little bit and been like, hey, where are the uploads? Like that really motivates me to continue to upload these videos, and it's awesome to just kind of hear that you guys are actually enjoying the content and giving me feedback. That really helps me make these videos better for the future and whatnot. As some of you guys are wondering, the reason why the uploads have slowed down is because I am a college student and it's like the middle of the term right now. I just finished my midterm for calculus a couple days ago. And as a full-time engineering student, it can be very, very hard to do anything other than school. I know I said that I was gonna try my best to upload twice a week, and I still want to do that as much as I can, but just understand that like if there's a week where there's only one upload, it's not because I'm just lazy and I don't want to upload a video. It's probably because I had like a bunch of quizzes or midterms or something school related going on that week. So hope you guys understand. It's not that I don't want to upload. I miss you guys like hella, really. I like during Vlogmas, even though I was so busy making videos, I wasn't really doing anything else, and I just loved it. And that's why I'm just so hooked on making these videos, and you guys have shown your appreciation for the uploads, and I feel like it's, I mean, technically it's kind of my job to do this now, and so I don't know. I'm ranting. It's like 2 a.m. I need to get some sleep. Oh gosh, this camera battery's about to die. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun to record, a lot of fun to make. There's Mustang content coming soon, so for those of you that made it this far in the video and you're wondering about the Mustang content, on Saturday we are going to be putting the grills on the GT350 bumper, so the front look will finally be like pretty close to done. And then I got some more stuff coming that I can't tell you guys yet, but it's going to be great, I promise. And with all of that out of the way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and dream big. What do you... Oh! Oh!
APR.
Haha, custom. That was kind of inappropriate.
What? Huh? What?
Okay, this was great. Let's get back to the Alltrack now.